Hello, thanks for coming back. And this is the unboxing from my Dooney and Burke extra large Courtney sack. I was looking on QVC's website, specifically looking for this bag, and I was surprised I found it there. It was probably someone's return, so I ordered it really quickly, and it came in UPS today. I was looking for this bag specifically because I'd heard a lot of good things about it. Everyone who has it seems to really like it. I like big bags and I wanted to try it out for myself to see if it's something that I could use in my daily life. Maybe to use as a work bag as well as an everyday bag. I have several other Dooney and Burke bags in my collection already, so there wasn't any question about whether or not the quality would be good. So here it is. Now, as I'm taking this bag out, I'm just thinking to myself, this is a really nice looking bag. And just admiring the quality of the bag. They packed it really nicely from QVC, which they normally do. And they usually put a lot of paper on the inside to help it hold its shape. Now, as I take it out, you can probably see that there's going to be a line on the back of it, probably from, the packaging and when they stuffed it into the box. But that doesn't worry me too much because it's pebble leather and that line should come out. So you can see it right there. You can also see the gold tone hardware on the bag. It has feet. And again, it's a really nice looking bag. Now, the measurements for this bag are: the height is 13 inches, the depth of the bag is 5.5, and the widest part, the length, is 15 inches. It comes with a strap, and the strap is adjustable. It goes from 11 to 13 inches. It has a magnetic closure. It weighs about 2 pounds. It has one side zip pocket, 2 slide pockets, the standard key hook, and I believe it was online for $373. And it also comes with a dust bag, and the interior is red. And now the stitching is done very well. And as you can see, it had a magnetic snap. This is the strap that came with it. And I'll put that on a little bit later. And you can see the red interior, which is very nice. It has a lot of space in the bag. So, like I said, my intentions was to use this as a work tote and an everyday bag. And at some point, all of my bags, have to do double duty, for work and, just for me being out and about. And the strap is really nice. I really like these straps, and you can take them off and use them on different bags, which is what I normally do. Now, I used the bag for about 2 weeks. Like I would normally use a bag, I would put the stuff that I normally carry, as well as maybe a book. Sometimes my iPad I would put in there if I need to carry it with me. But at some point, I really couldn't get everything situated in the bag like I wanted to, and that wasn't working for me. So even though I really like this bag, I like the size of it, the look of it, I did send it back. Now, even though it was not the bag for me, doesn't mean it's not the bag for you. So it may be something that you want to check out in the future. And Dooney and Burke, they make a great product, so check it out. And thank you again for coming back.